Hello guys, this is Vishakha, your fitness trainer and yoga trainer. Today I am going to show you importance of Yoga Mudra. Mudra means seal, gesture or marks. They are considered to be an important part of yoga, just like asana. Today I am going to show you hand mudra. It is said that the whole universe, including our body, is made up of 5 different elements like fire, air, earth, water and space. So our 5 fingers represent 5 different elements. The little finger represent water, ring finger represent earth, middle finger represents space, index finger represent air and thumb represent fire. A healthy body denotes all these 5 elements should be in balance. So the first mudra is Kuber Mudra. It is also known for wealth god. This mudra increases the inner desire of wealth and prosperity. The steps are: you must join the thumb, middle and index finger together at one point. Slightly bend the fingers so that all of them get reach into the intersection point. After doing with one hand, repeat with other hand. Kuber Mudra should perform for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Benefits are: it gives complete relaxation, it develops the power of concentration. Next mudra is Bhairav Mudra. Bhairava means fearsome. Lord Shiva in fearsome is called Bhairava. It is a gesture of hands to produce a balanced energy flow during meditation. Steps are: in this mudra, the right hand placed on the top of the left hand with the palms and facing up. One can practice this gesture for 5 minutes 3 times in a day. Benefits are: it brings the balance between the right and left hemisphere of the brain. It is a good remedy for those suffering from anxiety, stress and mood swings. It is useful for relaxation of various organs like heart, stomach, liver, pancreas, kidneys, etc. Kshepana Mudra, a positive life which is a source of positive thoughts. It always makes the person of good health and well-being. One of such mudra which remove all the negative things and toxins from our body is Kshepana Mudra. The steps are: place your index finger of both the hands against each other and join them. Let all fingers rest on the pads behind your hand. Now slowly cross your thumbs and keep them in the hollow of your other thumb. It gives the immediate result within a minimal time period of practice. It should perform at least 5 minutes. Benefits are: it removes all negative thoughts and emotions from your mind and makes the positive personality. Next mudra is a Naga Mudra. In English, Naga means snake. It represents the supernatural power of strength and wisdom. It has a great healing power. It also increases the clarity of our mind. It contributes to solve the various obstacles and everyday problems. Cross your hands in front of the chest. Now cross your thumbs as well over each other. It should perform at least 10 minutes daily. Benefits are: it helps to develop physical strength. It can be helpful in stress and anxiety. It can maintain the balance between emotions and overactive mind. Next mudra, Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra means symbol of knowledge. It helps to enhance the focus and concentration of mind. Steps are: Jnana Mudra is one of the easiest hand gesture. You need to touch the tip of index finger with the tip of thumb. Leave the rest of the finger as it is. You should perform this mudra for at least minimum 10 minutes. Benefits are: it also reduces the depression level. It helps for getting better sleep. Prana Mudra. Prana means energy of life. The power of energy stimulates the entire human body. It also awakens all the organs of body. This mudra represents link between the heart and person's soul. The steps are: tip of the ring and little finger should be joined by the lean of thumb. All the other fingers must be straight. 30 or 40 minutes of normal practice in a whole day is sufficient to obtain the result. Benefits are: it decreases the nervousness and improves self-confidence. It also enhances the immune system. It also removes the impurity present in a blood and also enhances the blood movement. Any kind of cramps in muscles and pain in the legs get cured by this mudra. Ganesha Mudra. Ganesh Mudra is also known for an elephant god, Ganesha. It is actually done when you are exhausted with troubles. It will improve you with the strength plus self-confidence. Steps are: make a claw by joining the fingers of your left hand should be held by the 4 fingers of your right hand. In this way, your right palm must be facing toward your chest. Perform Ganesh Mudra hand every day for at least 15 minutes. Benefits are: it has additional superior advantage of relieving the shoulder, chest and arm pain. It stimulates the digestion metabolism. So guys, if you like this video, please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.